the moon, the star, and the cloud in the sky. The peacock is dancing near the tree. The sparrow is sitting in between the straw and the parrot. The cow and the deer are grazing in the meadow. The monkey is sitting up there on a branch of the tree. The squirrel is also sitting on a branch of the tree.
छान, व्हेरी गुड.